If you're wondering if it's a business day, you are wrong. You are not mistaken. Welcome to Smile Jamaica's Are You Smarter Than a PEP'er? That's students doing PEP. I am Javon Keys, your quiz master. And this morning, Garth and Neville are here. They've teamed up with 12-year-old John Mark Williams and 12-year-old Tashai Mack, and they're both from the Jesse Ripoll Primary School. And they're going to test their knowledge in a few areas. Now, each team will be asked questions alternately with 1 point for each correct answer. Now, let's hear the team's names. Have they picked their names? Let's hear from Team John Mark and Garth. What's your name?
You don't remember pick a name?
Choose a name now.
Outsmarters.
The leaders.
The leaders. All right, the leaders versus?
The outsmarters.
The leaders versus the outsmarters. Now, let's get straight into it.
Sorry, sir. The outsmarter.
Outsmarter and we'll take it. So let's get into it.
Who gets the first question, sir?
We'll go with...
Well, he's the head boy,
of course.
And she's the deputy head girl, but they usually say ladies first.
Ladies first, so we'll go with you. Bible knowledge, what are the first 5 books of the Bible?
We have Genesis, Exodus. We have Genesis and Exodus. Deuteronomy and Joshua. Yeah, we have them.
Genesis, Exodus, Deuteronomy. What's the other one? Joshua. And what's that?
No,
I'm hearing quite a bit of grumbling here. This were junior schools challenge because the 10 seconds are the first.
Exodus, Deuteronomy, and Joshua. Yes. And then the next one is Joseph.
All right.
So I'm going to say that your answer is incomplete. Would you like to try?
100%.
Hold on, incomplete.
Sure.
What we're not done answer yet, sir?
Oh, I'm so sorry. 1 second to go.
So we have Genesis, Exodus, Deuteronomy, Joshua,
and
Joseph.
Incorrect. So the answers we're looking for...
Hey, we've got the
you wanna
answers.
Go
Yes.
right ahead.
Tell them.
you.
Genesis,
Exodus,
Leviticus, Deuteronomy, and what was the other one?
Was Numbers.
Numbers? So say it.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy.
That is it. That is correct.
The order is
Now time for your question.
Numbers.
Yes,
tell me again.
Numbers. So we have Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy.
Those are the first 5.
All right, our next question in Europe.
Mm-hmm.
In what city was Jesus born?
Jerusalem.
Nazareth. I think it's Nazareth. Bethlehem.
Bethlehem.
Incorrect. Nazareth.
Oh my God.
So we never get a chance to answer, sir?
It's alternate, so it's not. If the answer is given, I'm not to pass the question.
No, but we didn't get it right.
Incomplete, there's a difference.
Right, so you give a complete answer.
Right.
Here's your question. Jamaican Affairs, who was the first Governor General of Jamaica?
Sir Hugh Foot.
Incorrect. Sir Clifford Campbell. All right, your question, what was the name of the first political party formed in Jamaica?
Yeah, let's just say that so they don't get it. Yes.
PNP.
That's correct.
What?
There you go.
PPP.
The PPP? What
Yes,
is
People's Political Party, formed by Marcus Garvey.
Ref, what's it?
Spanish? Judges, we're going to need to consult on that one. But for you, Spanish, translate to English. Mi comida favorita es arroz y pollo.
My favorite.
We don't know.
You better complete the answer now.
Would you like to try?
Sure.
My favorite porridge.
Your favorite porridge? Incorrect. All right, have a bet at it.
My favorite meal is chicken and rice.
That's correct. That's correct.
I do love my chicken and rice.
So here's your Spanish question. Translate to English. Tengo un perro que se llama Max.
Repeat.
Tengo un perro que se llama Max.
Go right ahead. You got it.
My dog's name is Max.
I'll take it. So I have a dog named Max.
No, well, no, man. The man said my dog
Yeah,
name
but
and
he
he
said
said
me
a
perro.
dog. No,
Me.
by the way, PPP was right.
Right. Yeah, PPP was correct. So
PPP was right.
Great job. Great job. Sports, your question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Never been. And God.
Right?
It's coming.
Never enter shy.
That's the girl from Edwin Allen. Wait, no, I don't think it's her. I don't remember her name. I don't remember her name, but she's
Alana
from
Reid.
Chance. Alana?
That's correct. Look at the monitor and identify this person. This is for you, the leaders.
Cricket. Come on, man. You don't watch cricket?
And I know that.
That's.
Of course you would.
How long it gets?
All right, so we're going to pass the question.
No.
Andre
Russell.
No. I said it before he said it.
The question passed before you gave an answer, but your answer would have been correct. Social studies, for you, the outsmarters. What is the capital of Montserrat?
I need to study.
Good one.
I don't know.
So we're passing. Would you like to try the leaders?
know.
Can you lead on this one?
A friendly mouse.
A friendly mouse. This is what we're looking for. Your question, what is the capital of St. Kitts and Nevis?
St. Lucia's Castries. You know what? I'm just going to say something so them don't get it. Castries. I know I'm wrong.
No,
I
St.
know.
Lucia is cash.
I know. But
Basseterre.
Basseterre,
How come we never get it?
Because I gave an
You gave
answer.
an answer. Television, look at the monitor and identify this person. This is for you.
Only two again?
This is for you, outsmarters. And yes, the scores are correct.
No, we get 3. I'll give him name Chris Rock or something. So.
Yeah,
Chris
that's
Rock.
Chris Rock.
Christopher Rock.
Yeah, man, Chris Rock is correct.
That's correct. Look at the monitor and identify this person. This is for you.
It's 4 we have, by the way, not 3.
Eddie Murphy.
Eddie Murphy.
That's correct. Jamaican Affairs, complete this proverb. And this is for you, the outsmarters. Learn to dance a yard.
Put in my answer somewhere I get it.
Learn to dance, then learn to dance abroad.
No, I'm gonna take Quizmaster's privilege and pass this one.
No,
because-
what the answer? Answer. No, I don't understand this. Because you say because
Let's see. Let's see if the leaders have this one. Let me hear your answer.
Yeah, learn for dance a yard.
Before you dance abroad.
That is it. But they're not getting the
We're
point.
not getting
you know.
the point. We're
They're not getting the point.
Okay.
All right, complete the Jamaican proverb. Peacock hide him foot.
Is a Jamaican
Proverb?
word that?
All right, so say it.
But him show him tail?
Would you like to try?
Yes, but
And you're not getting the point, to be clear.
he hides.
Go again.
But he hides his tail.
But he hides his tail? Not quite. So Peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. And this is a new one for me.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Music for you, the leaders, the outsmarters rather. What is the musical term for the speed of the beat?
Volume.
Incorrect. It's tempo.
Tempo.
Oh my gosh.
Music for you, the leaders. What is the musical term for gradually getting louder?
Crescendo?
That's right. Mathematics.
Oh, there. Your turn.
Outsmarters. What is the sum of 699 plus 99?
Everybody know that.
798.
That's correct. Mathematics for you. What is the sum of 588 plus 99?
697.
687.
That is correct. I almost said the wrong answer came first.
Go
Like
cost
you're
us the
black.
point.
They were consulting.
He whispered.
Final
He
question.
whispered.
Final question.
He whispered.
This is to determine our winner is for you.
No, man, I 8-5. Them are-
What is the chemical formula for table salt?
I don't know.
Wait, no. Salt plus water. You guys are not getting the question.
All right, so it's sodium chloride. Last
NaCl,
question.
yeah.
What is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide?
CO2.
That is correct.
That was
So
so
that's
fair.
it for our quiz. Are you smarter than a PEP'er? Of course, these are common entrance versus along with
not at
PEP.
all.
Common entrance along with PEP students, and
Oh,
it's a
okay.
nice mashup. So, of course, congratulations
Where's the trophy there?
to both teams. Of course, we're gonna give the trophy later on.
What you going to be when you leave school? What's your favorite subject?
A pediatric neurologist surgeon.
You're what?
A pediatrist neurologist surgeon.
Yeah,
sir.
just surgeon. Okay.
And you?
A corporate lawyer.
A corporate lawyer.
All right.
All right.
And I know you will achieve that. Congrats.
So we have our championship trophy.
Oh, very good. Well, receive it on behalf of us, young man.
Congratulations.
Well done.
The quizmaster did bias. We just want to put that out that the quizmaster was biased.
My little
Not the
brother, ladies and gentlemen.
My bigger brother.
There you go.
Congrats to you both, and God bless you.
Yes.
All right?
Okay.
Good. All right, so that's it for this morning's Fun Stop. Thanks, Siobhan. Excellent. Brilliant.